Today's episode, mud flapper Tesla. I got it from Amazon, $20 pieces. Same thing like OEM. There's an advantage and disadvantage on this. Advantage, you protect your paint all the way down there. Disadvantage, you will lose at least maybe 3 miles for 100%. Will just protect your car. If it'll give you a lot of problem, remove it right away. It's only $20 for 4 pieces. Amazon. Front right. Okay. You just have to hook this guy here and it should do it. This guy out. Oh, yeah. You cannot use the OEM. You have to use the one that we send it over. Okay, it's a little bit longer. It's a little bit longer, guys. I'll pop this guy. There you go. Pull this guy up. Oh, okay. Just push it in. Okay, guys. So, this is it. The only thing I don't like here is sand will go in there for sure, but that's fine. If you do some maintenance, just push this or car wash and then spray. It's flexible, so no worries. As long you'll protect your paint here. Look at that, those splash there. So you're not gonna have that no more. All the way down here. Right here. See all those scratch? Those are all scratch from the front. So I hope that it'll protect it. But like I said, it will trap some wind here for sure. We'll lose some mileage when traveling, but that's fine. Okay, guys, we'll put the rear right there. That's the clip. Just tap it out. Same thing, easy. Same thing as that one. There you go. There you go, guys. Same thing. Yep. Fun, huh? They're like a little forced to do it. I don't know if the ladies can do it, but you have to have your husband, your boyfriend, your brother. It's a little bit hard. There you go. From protector I put for alright guys, you're watching guys, mudguard.